Here we have the RCBS Green Machine progressive press. This is the only press that is configured this way, instead of being a rotary turret or something that spins around to each station. It more like an assembly line. Here you have your sizer die with decapping unit, which I have removed because of my brass is already pre-primed. Here is your flaring tool and powder charge. This happens to have the RCBS little dandy powder charge. Here is your seating die. Here is your crimping die. This is for 38 Special 357 Magnum, so this is a roll crimp. I am not going to be, this is where your primers go in, I'm not going to be using that because it just seems to jam and not feed correctly all the time. It's easier to pre-prime before you run it through the system. And how this works, your brass goes down, feeds in these tubes. I'm just going to stick a handful of them in. And once your brass is in there, you just start until they feed in. First one gets sized, and then it gets its charge, and you feed your bullet, seats the bullet, and your first one's done. Since I forgot to put a bullet in this one, I'll go back and do that later. Then you just continue. And once your last one's through, you want to make sure there's a pin in the back of this powder charger you need to pull out so it doesn't actuate the rotor. Dump powder all over. And that's all there is to it. You're done.